Mathlecon. So today I'll be going through a ratio question. Okay, let us zoom into the question right now. The ratio of the length of a rectangle to its breadth is 3:1. Okay, so from here we will know that the length is 3 units and its breadth is 1 unit. Okay, its perimeter is 108 cm. What is the length of the rectangle? Before we further dive down into the question, let us do a recap on perimeter. Okay, so here we have a rectangle where this is the length and this is the breadth. Okay, let us just label everything. Okay, so now class, how do we find perimeter? Perimeter is equal to 2 length plus the 2 breadth. Okay, so we can basically just add them up. Length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. Okay, so this is the formula. You have to sum all the length of its sides together. Okay, right now, since I know that the length is 3 units, the breadth is 1 unit, I will label down in my diagram. So the length is 3 units, breadth is 1 unit. Okay, I will just label for all. And this part of the question says its perimeter is 108 cm. Okay, so now I'm going to sum up the perimeter in terms of its units. Okay, so perimeter will be 3 units plus 1 unit plus 3 units and the final 1 unit. Adding them together, I will get 8 units. Okay, so since the question says perimeter is 108 cm, I will equate 108 cm to 8 units, and 1 unit will be 108 divided by 8, and I will get 13.5. Okay, finally, let me just write the answer here. The question wants me to find the length, and I know that the length is 3 units. Okay, so I will move on to find what is the value of 3 units. So just use what you have found here, 13.5, and multiply by 3. You will be able to get your final answer as 40.5. Okay, so write down in your ENS 40.5 cm. That's it, done. Okay.